Hi guys, and welcome back to Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I am your host and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me. I can't believe how fast January flew by, but I am so excited to kick off the month of February with a creamy chicken and shrimp Cajun pasta. Like always, I'm going to prep everything and then I will bring you guys back and tell you all of the ingredients and your instructions. So let's get to it. So we have prepped the chicken and the shrimp, so let's go over all of the ingredients you are going to need. First, we're going to start with our chicken. So the chicken is seasoned with garlic, onion, salt, and pepper, and Creole season and parsley. Then we have our shrimp, which is seasoned with the same thing, and I have about 16 to 20 pieces of shrimp. I'll also need broccoli. So I've already chopped the ends off of my broccoli and I've also washed them, so they are good to go. Need mozzarella cheese. This is about 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. I am using fettuccine pasta. I was looking for the heart-shaped pasta, but I couldn't find them at Target, Kroger, or Walmart, so I went with the fettuccine pasta. For your sauce, you'll need an Alfredo sauce and you'll also need some heavy whipping cream. Alright you guys, now that I've shown you all of the ingredients, we're going to start with cooking our pasta. Now that my pasta water is boiling, I'm going to add my pasta to it. I like to also put a little bit of oil and chicken bouillon in the water. I feel like it gives the pasta a little flavor. While our pasta is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to the pan because our chicken will take a little longer to cook, so we want to get that started. And remember, make sure that your pan is hot so that you can cook your meat. Alright you guys, now that our pasta is all done cooking, we are going to strain it and then put it under cold water so that it stops the cooking. Now that we've taken our pasta off the stove and we're letting it cool in some cold water, our chicken is nice and ready, so we are going to transfer that onto our cutting board. Okay, and in the same pan we are going to add our shrimp. Our cooked shrimp for about 6 to 8 minutes, and then we'll get started on our sauce. Alright you guys, now that our shrimp is all done, we're going to transfer it back into the bowl and get started on our sauce. Okay, for our sauce we're going to use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're also going to use 1 cup of the Alfredo sauce that we got. And to that same pan, we are going to add in the rest of our seasonings that we use to season our chicken and shrimp. We are also going to add in our broccoli, add in our mozzarella cheese, and we're going to add in a stick of cream cheese. Just going to give that all a good stir and make sure everything is incorporated very well. We're gonna wait for the mozzarella cheese and the cream cheese to melt down, and then we will add in our pasta, chicken, and shrimp. Okay, you guys, now that our cream cheese has fully melted, I know you guys can see how creamy this is. Pasta, our shrimp. Also going to add all of our chicken. Mix that all in together. Now that we have added our pasta, chicken, shrimp, all of that to our sauce, we are going to actually transfer our pasta into a baking dish. And I'm going to add some mozzarella on top and pop it in the oven to broil until the cheese is golden. And I like to layer my pasta. So this is my first layer. And then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top of that. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the pasta on top and then add a little bit more cheese. Okay, your pasta should look something like this. And then we're just gonna pop that in the oven to broil for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is nice and golden brown. And then we'll pop it out and we'll try it. All right, you guys, our pasta is all done. So let's plate it and give it a try. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It smells so good too. All right, you guys ready? First bite. All right, I got a little bit of the pasta. I'm gonna grab a piece of shrimp and a piece of chicken. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. You can taste all the seasonings. You can taste the chicken, the shrimp, the pasta, the broccoli. Oh, this is so good, and I really do hope you guys try it. So creamy, so cheesy, just good all around. Honestly, I think this is really good, and I definitely think you guys should try it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next Monday for another video. Bye!